Hello. Hello.
Hello, sir.
CSCB students.
Yes, sir.
Last class, what we have completed?
Last class, three sums of coefficients.
Implicit functions.
Yes, sir.
So we have started Jacobian. Not
1
started.
minute, sir. Yes, not sir.
Today we are going to start Jacobian.
Okay, sir. Yes.
So today our discussion is Jacobian. It's a continuation of unit number 3. Today we have 2 sessions I'll take. Okay. After this session, I'll be taking one more session to finish this topic. So our today's discussion is Jacobian. So let the student join. Till that, I am writing here the definition. Actually, what is the Jacobian? And once they join, we'll start doing the problems. So till that, you can write the definition and no more PDF here. You have to write from here, from the board only. You have to write it. U is equal to u of x comma y, and v is equal to v of x comma y. V of x comma y. Then these two simultaneous relations. Then these two simultaneous relations constitute a transformation from x comma y to u comma v. X comma y to u comma v. So the determinant, actually this determinant is called Jacobian. This determinant this one, dou by dou x
बिल्कुल खरीद
dou by dou x dou by dou y. This is u, this is u, this is v, this is v.
नहीं लेकिन मेरे सब्जेक्ट अलग है जिससे मेरे को समझ में नहीं आया और रहे तो सही रहता वो तो डाटा बुक के सब्जेक्ट हैं समझे एग्जाम
This determinant is called this determinant is called the Jacobian. The Jacobian. If I ask you, then Jacobian in one word is the determinant of this uv with respect to xy is called Jacobian here of uv with respect to x comma y, and it is denoted by this symbol capital J. Capital J is equal to, this one we can read it as Jacobian of uv with respect to xy. Jacobian of uv with respect to xy, and it can be defined with the determinant like this. This one, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou x. See, I'm going to explain you the method to memorize the formula. Dou by dou x, dou by dou y in the second row. Here u will get u, here v, and here v. This is called Jacobian of uv with respect to xy. Now, if you want to find out j dash value, it should be like this: Jacobian of xy with respect to, give me the answer, with respect to uv here, with respect to uv, and once again this defined with the determinant like this.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, tell me what
उन लोग
happened.
लिंक नहीं भेजे बोल के वेट कर रहे सर सब जने.
लिंक भेजे ना मामा, ग्रुप में देखो आप.
दूसरे सेक्शन का है बोल रहे.
दूसरे सेक्शन में रियाजुद्दीन किसका नाम है? अच्छा, फिर से एक बार भेजा देता हूँ, नो प्रॉब्लम. ठीक है, आपके M1 ग्रुप में नहीं भेजा रहे लिंक है, फिर भी वहां भी भेजा देता हूँ मैं आपको. वही सेम लिंक है जो डेली अपन जो क्लासेस हो रहे हैं ना अपने. अभी देखिए आगे क्या.
यस सर.
Same link every day, huh? I'm not going to change the link. चलिए, okay. So this is the determinant value. In the first row, you may get it like this: dou by dou x of whatever the denominator here, we should write this denominator. Dou by dou u, dou by dou v. Now here in the numerator, x will come, here x will come, here y will come, here y will come. So like that, we can define Jacobian values, j dash. If same story is there, suppose we have three variables, like example, the second point. Suppose u is equal to u of x comma y comma z. Suppose v is equal to v of x comma y comma z. Suppose w is equal to, we have x comma y comma z. Then in that case, how to find out Jacobian value? See, Jacobian of u, v, w with respect to x, y, z. See, अभी तक अपन डिफरेंशिएशन में करते, देखो याद है ना, d by dx बोल के.
Yes, sir.
So instead of one variable, we are having more than one variable. So I told you before also, whenever we are talking about more than one variable, we have to use the symbol do. Okay.
Okay.
And this will be defined with the determinant value. And I'm going to show you the way how to remember the formula. See here, in the first row of this determinant, we may write like this: dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. The second row also once again, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Third row also once again, dou by dou x, dou by dou y into dou by dou z. Now first of all, u here, u, here v, here w, This is the easiest way to memorize the formula. Understood? The first property
Okay,
of
sir.
first one property is there, Jacobian property. This one I will be taking as a note. Whenever we are finding j into j dash value, the answer will be equal to 1. It's the property of Jacobian. Understand?
Yes.
Shall we start the problems now? Start doing the problems. Yes?
Yes.
Let
Yes,
us see the question number 1. We can start immediately from here only. Question number 1. The question number 1 is, if u is equal to x square minus 2y, x square minus 2y, and v is equal to, suppose we are having x plus y plus z. Is the board visible for all the students?
Yes, sir.
W is equal to x minus 2y plus 3z. लाइव सेक्शन कैसा दिख रहा कुछ तो भी आपको?
Yes, sir.
We have to find out Jacobian of, एक minute. Some students are trying to disturb the class. I'll remove them from the class if I find out u, v, w with respect to x, y, and z. We have to find out this. Okay. Now we'll start writing the solution. The solution of this problem. What we have to do it? U, actually not u square, it should be only u. It is only u. You can see according to the formula we required Jacobian of UVW with respect to XYZ. The formula is this one. So according to the formula, we have to differentiate u with respect to x, with respect to y, with respect to z. And similarly, v also with respect to XYZ, w also with respect to XYZ. That work I will be starting from here. U is equal to x square minus 2y. Can you tell me what happened when I am finding the value of dou u by dou x with respect to x?
2x आता सर.
Very good, 2x. Now with respect to y,
-2.
exactly. With respect to z,
0 sir.
0. Good. Same thing for v. X plus y plus z.
Z.
Tell me with respect to x.
1.
Very
1.
good. With respect to y,
1.
once again 1.
1.
With respect to z,
1.
1.
1.
Now W. W is equal to what we are having? W 2y plus 3z. W with respect to x,
1.
1. W with respect to y,
-2.
minus 2. W with respect to z.
3.
This is got it, all the values.
Yes.
We are start moving for this one. Jacobian of u v w with respect to x, y, z, which can be defined with the determinant value. We are writing the determinant value here. I will be writing this, will be defining with the determinant, this determinant value, and here also we should write one determinant. Okay, see here, what will be the first row? I told you the logic to remember the formula: dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Next again, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Next again, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. In the first row, you may get it u, u, u. Here v, 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 and here w, w, w. Now, what is the first row answers? 2x. Give me the answer. U with respect to y, -2. U with respect to z, 0.
0.
V with respect to x is 1,
1
1, 1, 1,
अरे माइक लगा
minus
तुम्हारे आदमी लगाओ बोले थे जियो चल गए
1 1 1
पापा फोन
2 3.
this is equal to determinant method. You know how to expand the determinant? Plus, minus, plus is the rule. Matrices first year intermediate. Remember?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So when I am
Yes, sir.
considering 2x, corresponding row and column will be neglecting. AD minus BC, 3 ones are 3, minus into minus plus 2. Second row will with the minus sign, minus into minus plus 2. Corresponding row and column we can neglect, 3 ones are 3, minus 1. And last one with 0, no need to do it anything. This is 3 plus 2, 5. 5 twos are 10x plus 3 minus 1 is 2 twos are 4. This is the answer of the first Jacobian formula. First problem completed. Note down this. I'm giving you 5 minutes time. Just note down. Now the entry is not allowed. Students, they still wanted to come to the class. I am not going to allow them. Can I erase the first part here? The first part of the definition part.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Erase it this because I want to write another problem here. Now, next question is the next question number 2. Question number 2. If x is equal to u into 1 minus v, comma, y is equal to uv, we have to prove that the first property of the Jacobian, that is j dash value is equal to 1. Okay, shall we start now? Solution?
Yes.
See, here, what happened here is, in the question it is given x is a subject, y is a subject. So first of all, we can find out j dash value. Then later on, we can find out j value. First, we can start our work by writing j dash value. Means what? X is there. We have to differentiate this x with respect to u and v. Then take y and the same thing. X is equal to, we have u into 1 minus v. This x is equal to,
क्या पढ़ ले गेम कर रहा है चीटिंग कर रहा है वो कर रहा है सर हाँ क्या हिसाब से पढ़ रहे सर
this is u1 is a u minus uv. Hello. Jay. IT का कुछ भी नहीं करा सर, IT का कुछ भी नहीं करा. हाँ, M1 का पहले का जो था बनाया, 19 का बना था, 1920 का बनाया, 2021 का नहीं बना. मेरी क्लास चल रही है. Okay, sorry for the disturbance. Now what we have to do it here is, x is there now. I want to differentiate x with respect to u first of all. Can you give me the answer? With respect to u means what happened? Hello.
1 minus v.
1 minus v. Now x with respect to v, what is the answer? Minus u, right? Minus u is correct.
How, sir?
With respect to v we are doing now. Here we don't have v, so 0. This is, we have like this, u minus uv. With respect to v we are doing. Constant means 0, minus u is a constant, dou by dou v of v. So what is the answer? minus u into 1. That is minus u only now.
Yes.
With respect to v, we are doing. Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Next. Next. Take the value of y and same thing with respect to u and with respect to v. uv here. Next. Y with respect to u. What is the answer? Y with respect to u. What is the answer?
U.
U means it's a v only left now. U का with respect to u 1 हो जाता, v left. Now y with respect to v. This is here u left now. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, first of all, we are going to find out the value of j dash here. J dash means it's what we are doing. Jacobian of xy is there in our subject. That one we are differentiating with respect to uv. So this can be defined with the help of the determinant, that is dou by dou u, dou by dou v. In the second row also dou by dou u. Here also dou by dou v. This determinant will be closed. Here u will come. Here, sorry, u not u, it is x.
XY.
Yeah, xy. Correct. X, X, Y, Y. Now, what are the answers now? Come on. X with respect to u, what is the answer?
1
One
minus
minus
V.
Minus v. X with respect to v, minus u.
Minus U.
Y with respect to u,
V.
V.
and here u. How to expand the determinant? You remember? AD minus BC. U into 1 minus V. AD, this cross multiply AD, minus into minus plus UV. This is equal to U1 the U minus UV plus UV. Minus UV plus UV get cancelled. So the answer is what? U is the answer for J dash. Part 1 is over. Understood? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let us moving on to the second part. That is what? X and Y, already it is in our question only, it is the subject. Now in the second part, we have to make it U and V as the subject, and that one we have to differentiate with respect to X and Y, which is the actual Jacobian. Let us see here. Second part. Same problem we are continuing. X is equal to U into 1 minus V is there in the question. X is equal to U minus UV. I want to make it U as a subject. So that is X is equal to U minus, what is UV value? It's given in our question itself. Is it Y?
Yes, sir.
Minus, if you take, bring this side, becomes plus now. X plus Y is equal to the value
U.
of U. U becomes the subject. Immediately we have to differentiate this one with respect to X. The answer will be 1. And similarly, we have to differentiate this value with respect to Y. Once again, the answer will be equal to 1. Right? So then Y is equal to UV. Y is equal to UV. Now what we have to do it here is, I want to make it Y as a subject. So can we write like this? U by Y by U is equal to the value of V. right?
Yes, sir.
Y by, what about our U value? We got it. We got
X
it
plus
x
Y.
plus y. Now immediately
Y.
we have to differentiate this v value. First of all, with respect to x. So while differentiating with respect to x, we can treat y as a constant. With respect to x, we can treat y as a constant. X of 1 by x plus y. X of 1 by x plus y. This is y into. We know that 1 by x differentiation is. We know that 1 by x differentiation is
minus 1 by x square.
minus 1 by. So what is the answer here? Minus y by x plus
X
y
plus Y whole.
whole square. Now v with respect to y. Oh, once again, when we have to differentiate, we have to apply from here for this term. Okay, for this term, we are going to apply u by v formula. Here v square means x plus y whole square. V here, v means x plus y here into dou y of y minus y as it is, dou y of, not x of, sorry, it is y of, dou y of x plus y. So what are the answers now? What are the answers? X plus y as it is, y with respect to y is 1 now,
Yes.
right? Minus y as it is, right? Y with respect to 1. Y as it is. This is 1 again. Y with respect to 1. This is y. X plus y whole square. This plus y minus y cancel. Our answer is x by x plus y whole square.
X is
X plus y whole square. Okay. Then after this one, we have to go for j value. This part I'll be doing here. This is the long answer. Actually, what we have to prove in this problem, j into j dash value is equal to
1.
yes. Okay, let us continuing this problem here. Finally, we are moving to find out this Jacobian value, that is j, which is equal to Jacobian of uv with respect to xy, which can be defined with the help of this determinant. So how to write this value? Dou by dou x, dou by dou y, once again dou by dou x into dou by dou y. Right. What is this here? What we are getting? U, v, v. Now, what are the answers? Tell me. Tell me the answers. Come on, give me the answer.
1.
We don't have the time. I'll check how much time is left. 5 minutes.
1.
Yes. First row answer is
1.
1, 1. Okay. This is 1. This is 1. And here this answer is minus y by
X
plus
plus
y
Y
whole
whole.
square. And this answer is
X by X plus Y whole.
by x plus y whole square. Now, determinant, you know the formula how to find out. AD minus BC. X by x plus y whole square. This is AD. Minus into minus plus y by x plus y whole square.
whole square.
What is the LCM now? What is the LCM now?
X Whole square.
x plus y whole square will be the LCM now. What is the numerator we are getting? X plus y only, right?
Yes.
One term with this cancel. What is left of? 1 by
It's
x
1 by
plus
x
y.
plus y.
Can we say this is equal to 1 by u? Because x plus y value is u now. You check it here, right?
Yes, sir.
So what
Yes,
is
sir.
j value? We got it 1 by u. So left hand side we can take. The left hand side is what? J dash, which is equal to j value is 1 by u into
By
j
u.
dash value is u. Both of them are cancelled. The answer is 1. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now I'll be end of this meeting now. After a few minutes, once again I'll send you the message. Then you have to join again, and the same problem we have to continue. बाद में कॉपी करिए आप लोग, मीटिंग एंड हो जाती है, ठीक है? ओके,
मीटिंग एंड हो जाती है बोल रहा है बाप।
हाँ, फिर से मैं बोर्ड शेयर करता हूँ आपको,
Yes, sir. Okay.
फिर से आप लिखना और एक सेशन लेता हूँ, ठीक है?
ठीक है।